So today we're talking about kushami. This is sneeze. Hiru and hanahiru are to sneeze as transitive and intransitive verbs. Sometimes after a sneeze, when you cough, you get some phlegm, and the Japanese call this tan. I thought as an extra interesting thing for this video, I would include onomatopoeia for a sneeze. In English we have achoo, but in Japan they have hakushon and kushun. As a side note, it is believed, or was believed, that saying kushami twice after someone sneezes would be a verbal charm against a sneezer having an early death.